Really?
Yeah. But now it's sound. Looks nice. Maybe in the evening, the situation will be.
Something happened. Some strange scenic place of the snails. The camera. Počkej, ten please.
David Kainar. The lyrics are from our famous poet Josef Kainar. He was also a musician, jazz musician.
To jsou 60, ne?
No, ale ten text je z těch dob. Nebo ta skladba je z té doby.
Skladba.
And nice atmosphere here, and it's like blues, very sad atmosphere, etc. And some girl is waiting here for something, she doesn't know what, maybe for a future partner or something. It's a nice song.